Something that I really like about the internal family system is how well it works with the creativity of the client. I had a client that had a lot of internal conflict going on and was unable to regulate his emotions. In one of the sessions, we came up with a courtroom metaphor where the client was asked to visualize a courtroom where he was the judge and the two lawyers were his conflicting parts. As a judge, client was also reminded that he gets to control the entire session and he also gets to control which of the lawyer comes up and which one goes back. The client was asked to then practice this courtroom session during his homework and in the session. Over the time, this sparked an honest and open conversation with the parts of the client, and client was able to much better understand and connect with his parts. In the end, client was able to regulate his emotions much more clearly, was able to understand the internal conflict that was going on.